In this video, I'm going to show you 5-second pocket option strategy that you can start to use right after watching this video, and you can even use it in any candle time frame or any expiration time. That means I'm showing you it in 5-second time frame. Candles are also 5 seconds, and trading time frame is also 5 seconds, but you can use it in any time frame. Okay, understand that very clearly. For this, you need to implement an indicator that is called parabolic SCR. Okay, and we are going to use two different strategy at the same time. Okay, I'll explain it to you while I'm making trades. So I'm going to place a trade at here, one trade. So whenever the second dot have formed, then you assume that market will go up if it is forming below. Okay, similarly, if these dots are forming above, and if you see the second dot, then you can make trade by clicking on this sale so that you can book a profit while market falls down. This is one strategy. Okay, and another strategy is you need to find out this kind of market where my market is straightly trying to go up or straightly falling down without any opposite candle in the middle. Okay, like if it is going up, then there should not be any red candle. If it is falling down, then there should not be any green candle. Okay, so in this way you can make trade in any time frame. Not, it is not necessary to just make in 5-second time frame. Okay, so let's keep on searching to find out these two opportunities. So here you can see, I can see that the market is straightly trying to fall down without any green candle at here. So I took a risk and made a trade at here. However, this trade has gone in loss, but no problem. Profit and loss are the part of the trading. Let's keep on finding. Here you can see second dot have formed and market has fall down. If we had made trade at here we got an opportunity, we'll make trade at here because here was the second dot, so we made a trade in the upward direction. Now let's see what happens. Made a profit at here. So let's continue to search for this opportunity. And if you want to copy my trades automatically into your account without trading by yourself, okay, then you can join my free Telegram channel. You can copy anywhere from $2 to $200, even though we make $200 spot trade. As you can see, we have made profit at here. There is high probability of you making the profit if you implement both of these strategies while you are making trades. And do like this video. Here you can see there was one dot. We made trade a little bit late. Let's see. We made a profit at here also. Now see, there is a good amount of profit that I have made. Now what I can do is I can stop trading for today, okay, and I can again resume the trading with the same strategy tomorrow, because over trading is not good. It doesn't matter how good your strategy is, over trading is not good at all. So I saw all of these candles are red at it, so I placed a trade, but this candle was in green. So I didn't notice that while placing the trade. So this trade has gone wrong. So let's try to find out if there is any other opportunity. Miss the trade at here, but sometimes it is good to miss. Okay. Here also we have missed the trade. Here you can see all of the candles are green. Here we can take the risk. Okay, again this fell into red zone. However, this trade seems like it will go in profit. That's good for us. You need to keep on switching this currency pair and try to find out the best possible opportunity to make the trade with this simple strategy. Here we could have made trade and made the profit. Here we got an opportunity, but we made trade a little bit late. However, it was the profit. So guys, altogether, this is the strategy. And if you want to copy my trade by using the special trading feature of Pocket Option, then do join my free Telegram channel.